Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you a new arrangement of light pink roses from Rose Forever New York. There are 36 roses in this beautiful hat box with a Parisian style and covered with black velvet. These are the perfect gifts for Mother's Day, for birthdays, for any occasion. You spend a lot of money buying roses and they last probably 7 days or 10 days the most if you take care of them, but then they are gone. And with these arrangements, you can have them for more than a year. And after that, they will look exactly the same, like fresh cut flowers. It's amazing. And best of all is that they are allergen free. Now I'm going to show you how they look under the sun. And here they are, look. They look so perfect and they don't need light or water to maintain their freshness. They make a wonderful decoration for any celebration. And you can use them over and over for many parties, for many occasions to decorate your home. And now I'm going to show you an update of my roses that I received 18 months ago. They look gorgeous. I'm gonna take them outside. See, with the light of the sun, you can see the real color and they look perfect, like if I just bought them. Visit the store. The link is going to be in the description box and you will see that they have different kinds of arrangements. And you can use my coupon code FaithfulDesigns25 to get $25 off. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.